Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to day 54 of the 60-day rule-based trading challenge. And today was basically market was completely sideways. However, we were able to still end the day in the profits because that is the advantage of the option selling. So where the even the no the trend is not in your completely in favor, or your trend analysis may not be accurate. Still, it gives an opportunity to give you profits just because of the time that is theta decay, that is the time it as it decays, so it will give the opportunity to make money. And today was one of such classical days. So let's see what happened today in the trade analysis. So in the 9:45 we identified a bullish trend, and we sold 25,000 foot of this current week at 73 rupee 40 paise, and then our trailing stop loss got hit at 3 o'clock, 303, or 3, almost 4 minutes past 3 o'clock. Our trailing stop loss got hit, so we covered it at around 55.75. That means we were able to make a reasonable profits for the day. If you look at the chart, this is the option chart on the left side of the screen, and this is the candle on which we sold. And as you see, from the time we entered into the trade, it was in profits. That means on the screen we were able to see the profits throughout the day. And in fact, by 1 o'clock, it hit the bottom level for the day, and then post 1 o'clock, it started. Kind of the premium started appreciating. So till then it was decaying completely, and that is because if you see here on the right side of the chart, the after 1 o'clock, the trend actually started moving downward trend. Till then it was a sideways market, and it was not a major downtrend as such, but it was from the point. This is the candle on which we had entered, so that is from that point it went below the level, but still we ended in profits because it did not it happened towards the end of the day. And as you see, in the VIX was in kind of favoring again for the day. So this is the day opening. This is a 5 minutes candle which I'm showing in the of the India VIX. So it opened already at a reasonably a low level. The opening was at 14.69 level, and it ended at 13.98. That means there was a drop of another 4%. As you see here, about 4% VIX got dropped, and that was actually helping us for a theta decay, and then smoothly we were able to realize the profit, even though the trend was not really favoring at all. Like as you see here, today the market moved by nothing, like actually 1 point up for the day, which means absolutely no change in the status as compared to previous day. But just because of the theta decay, we were able to make the profit. So that makes us that helped us to achieve the sixth consecutive win for the from the time we started this challenge. And this is obviously the longest winning streak, I would say. Earlier, as I mentioned in yesterday video also, it was the 4 wins at a streak was the longest, but now we reached the highest number of winning streaks, six. And today we sold 25,500 put, as we saw, and we sold it at 73.40, and then we covered it at 55.75. We incurred a cost of 57.30 as trading cost. So we were able to book a profit of 1266. So that took the P&L to 18.74% in 54 trading days. So we are still 6 more days to go. So let's see what happens at the end of the 60th day. But we are now in a comfortable position with the 18.74% returns. But again, P&L should never be the focal point. The way we stick to the rules and the process is going to be the prime factor. And from an equity curve perspective, as you see, it is on a constantly on an uptrend for the last 6 trades, and that helped us to see the equity curve at the peak level. So it's been kind enough. The market is kind enough, and it has been favoring us. and that is the reason we are able to substantially make a profit. Obviously, it is important that we stick to the process and that the process rewards us. That is getting reinforced with this challenge. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow for the 55th day of trading challenge. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great evening, and rest of the day as well. Bye bye.